In this video, I'm going to quickly tell you about the JB Weld original cold weld, show you how to use it, and give you my thoughts and opinions on it. This is a two-part epoxy system that's made to be an alternative to torch welding. It's very easy to use with no skill needed and provides a strong, long-lasting repair to many materials indoors and outdoors. It can be drilled, tapped, and sanded. It has a tensile strength of 5,020 psi, and it can withstand temps of up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also waterproof, airtight, and resistant to chemicals. They call it the world's strongest bond. It's been around for years and pretty much lasts forever. Before using it, you start by prepping the surface. That's the most important part. I'm starting out by roughing it up with a wire wheel to help prep the surface, but you can use sandpaper or anything else to scuff it up to ensure a good bond. After that, it needs to be cleaned from all dirt, grease, and debris. Most people use acetone, rubbing alcohol, or brake cleaner. Now it's time for the JB Weld. You're going to squeeze out equal amounts from each of the two tubes into the package that it came in. After that, they both get mixed together until everything is the same color and consistency. Once it's fully mixed, you can start applying it to whatever you're using it on. For something like this, you'll want to build it up over and around the crack, trying to get enough coverage over it and then smoothing it out to give a nice transition back to the cap. It turned out pretty nice, but before testing it out, it takes 4 to 6 hours to set and around 15 to 24 hours to cure. After that, you're good to go. Unfortunately, this didn't fully fix the leak. Sometimes you need a second application, but just repeat the same process over again and you'll be good to go. I would give this 5 out of 5 stars and recommend it to anyone who likes to fix their own things. I've used this more times than I can count, and it's always nice to have on hand in the garage when needed. Now that it's finally cured, let's pressurize it and test it out. Nice, no bubbles, no leaks. This is fully sealed, we're good to go.